We bought this Beta Marine Kubota engine. Beta Marine turned them into a marine engine. Now this one just stopped turning. We fitted it from almost new. Come back a couple of years later and the engine just would not turn over. So I decided that this time when I come back I'm going to remove the 4 injectors. Now I've saved you the repetitive stuff. Basically I've removed the injector lines, and on top, just underneath the injector lines, there's a nut that holds the return pipe rail. You take that off. Now you need a 22mm deep socket for to go down into here. Because it's so close to all the fitting bolts, you can't get into it with anything but a deep socket. So I'm now going to pull out the injectors. It's just a case of just unscrewing them. Now guys, one thing I've come across here is sometimes the studs that are holding the heads down are actually faced with a point towards the injector. Now, when you get that, there's just not enough space between the injector and the stud for to put the socket on, the deep socket onto the injector. So I now have to get a socket and slacken off that stud's just a little bit of a turn, just so that I've got room to get my deep socket on. You can probably see just how close that is. I've managed to take these 2 injectors out already. And this one here is slack, it's ready to just come out. So it's just a matter of unscrewing it. Just like, it's basically in like a spark plug. Never seen injectors fastened in like this before, but this is probably a good idea as long as you can get them in now alright. And that's what the injector looks like. The injectors themselves are nice and clean, there's not a problem with the injector. Very few hours on it. And that's the last injector out. I was thinking maybe it was hydrolocked, but to be honest I really think that the pistons have just caught up on the sides because it's never been turned for such a long time. Now if it's hydrolocked, with the injectors removed, all the pistons would be free to move even if it was full of water. But it's absolutely solid. Right, my next thing I intend to do is get my trusty old WD-40, I don't know where my straw is, but never mind, and just to fill the tops of the pistons with WD-40. I've got a few cans. I'm going to have to clean them out when I'm finished, but not to worry. Okay, now I'm going to use a couple of cans, and to save you watching all that rubbish, we'll cut it there and talk to you later. Okay. Hey, success! As you can see, the rest of the boat's not such a success, but the engine is now turning. Now time to build it back together again. Stick the 4 injectors in. You clean all off. Stick the 4 injectors in. The rail back on, the injector pipes, and then we can have a test run, see if it starts. I have to get diesel first because there's no diesel in the tank. Anyway, that's our job for tomorrow.